Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reset MMI Audi A8 easy method. Turn the ignition to accessory and ensure the system is awake before starting the reset. Press and hold the menu button and the central control knob together, while also holding the top right rotary control for about 10 seconds until the screen reboots. Release when you see the Audi logo and allow the system to fully restart before testing navigation and media functions. In this video, I will show how to reset MMI Audi A8 easy method. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the car in accessory mode and the MMI screen active. Firmly press and hold menu, the central control knob, and the top right rotary control together for about 10 seconds without interruption. When the screen goes black, then shows the Audi logo, release and wait for the system to fully reboot before checking features. In this video, I will show how to reset MMI Audi A8 easy method. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and fit neatly in your glove box for commute lunches. They are great for keeping sauces secure while you work on your car and save time around service appointments. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset MMI Audi A8 easy method. If the initial reset does not resolve the issue, wait 30 seconds and repeat the button sequence exactly. Avoid disconnecting the battery unless necessary, because that can erase personalized settings and codes. If problems persist, consider a dealer software update or diagnostic scan to identify lingering hardware or software faults affecting GPS, Bluetooth, or media playback performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.